So, as you can see, I got an absolutely humongous package on my desk. It's another fan, as you would have guessed. Hold on. This is a vintage fan. Probably would be my third vintage fan in my collection. It is a little box fan. I'm not going to tell you too much, so let's open it. This is a humongous box that has fragile tape all over it, and I also got this off eBay. So I'm going to open from this end. I don't know what box this is, but it's really weird. Why I have it staying up. I don't want to show you the important stuff, like the sticker that says the address and stuff. What the hell? Okay. Part of the packaging was, or the protective wrap was stuck to the freaking tape. Outrageous amount of tape. There's tape everywhere. Jesus Christ. This is horrible. I don't know how I'm gonna get this thing out of here. There's more tape. So frustrating. Oh my god. Never ends. Okay. Okay. Finally. Jesus. This is horrible. Oh my goodness. this is a vintage SuperElectric 14-inch box fan. I'll bring you down here. This thing's not in the best condition. Quite a bit of rust on it. I don't like how this is held together. It seems very rough. It is quite dirty. The back is worse. That is a pretty fragile cord. Oh my god. Okay. Enough of that. Jesus. So I bought this on eBay a few weeks ago, and it got here today, finally. It was said it was gonna get here on Friday, but then like yesterday they changed it and said it was gonna get here today. So far I've looked on the internet and I've not seen any videos of the small ones. I've only seen videos of the larger 20-inch ones. So anyways, this thing is crusty as hell. I don't know how this thing's held together. This is like really weird. I don't like it. Oh, Jesus Christ. Let's begin. Yeah, that's seen better days. This thing is disgusting too. Oh my god, I'm gonna need a deep cleaning. So our grill here is quite gross. Get out of here. And our cabinet is also this. What is this? Is this just sawdust? Oh my god. Okay. The blade is not bad. I mean, it also like barely moves any air. The bearings, they could definitely use some oil. The back guard's also not too clean either. I can't tell if most of this is rust or just caked on dirt in the color orange. I don't know. I'm gonna put it back together, maybe. Maybe not. God. We're good. I'm gonna plug in this nasty cord. Oh my god. I begin well. Might as well get my wind measuring device ready. I could have bought a better one, but I waited too long on eBay and someone already bought it. It was sold for cheaper than this and in like pristine condition. We are plugged the in. We are going to start off on the high. And let's hear if it has any unique sounds to it. Here we go. Is that all? How's that noise? Oh, it's moving. I'm kind of scared. Well, I think that's the high. It took like 5 minutes. It took a whole minute to get up there. So on high, we're getting 12 miles an hour there at the very, very most, which is like somewhat close, if not a few decimal points under the top speed, the high setting of my 14-inch high velocity. If I step back, I can't even feel anything. Like I don't know where the air's going. It's like, it's mostly going out to the side. Like if I'm standing like almost 10 feet away, facing it in the middle, I can't feel anything. We're gonna go to medium. There's like barely any difference. So on medium, we're getting 10.7, 11 somewhere maybe. It's not bad. Yeah, like, I don't know where the air's going. I can barely feel it out in front. It's just going to the sides. And then I'm low. So low, we're getting 8 miles an hour. is not bad. I was gonna say this thing's off balance, but I think the shaft is bent, because I mean, that shaft's moving right now. The motor's not. Actually, it is. So I don't know if it's moving the shaft with it, or it's actually bent. This thing is moving all over the place. I'm gonna turn it off now. So yeah, I mean, it's not the greatest thing. I was expecting more, but it probably needs maintenance, and maybe, just maybe, it'll get better. So the blade actually is off balance. Okay, I don't know what that's about. What the fuck? Yo, check this out. This does not look normal. It's got also a lot of, well, it's mainly the motor moving. What is this? Like, are none of the freaking thrust washers there? I don't know